Hello and welcome. This is Shahzad with another video for necessary Python for artificial intelligence. In this video, we will learn about the sets in Python. So Python's sets are you can say a collection of unique elements. You cannot have a repeated elements within a set. Unlike lists or tuples, sets do not allow duplicate values, and their elements are not stored in any particular order. So sets automatically removes duplicate values, and they are fast in checking if uh, an item exists in a set is very fast. Sets support mathematical operations like union, intersection, and difference. And let's do some practicals. Okay, so to create a set, you can just use like let's say my set is equal to, if we want to create a set, we just need curly braces, and it will create a set for us. Let's check the type of this. Okay, this is the dictionary. So I think I'm missing something here. Okay, name. Okay, we can create with the function. Okay, this is how you create an empty set, and want to create a set using set, though that we can create like this. We take the same variable and let's see, execute a full statement. So using the set statement, you can create set. You have to provide a list within this set function, and let's see. Yeah. This is the list, and we have to close it. My set. So here we have created a set. So let's check it. What is the type? So it is saying it's set. So there is also another way to create a set, like take the same variable, and what we can do is that we use curly bracket. We use curly bracket for dictionary and as well as for sets, but for dictionary we have pair of values. In sets we don't have any pairs, we have single values, and we can have a string and numeric values, homogeneous or heterogeneous values. So let's get some values, and a string value, and close up curly bracket, and here you go. We have created a set again, and so okay, what can we do? What if we want to add into something like any other? Want to add an element, that we have add function, and here we will provide anything we want to add into the sets. And here we have already added. What if I add bus again? So it will not add it again because duplicates are not allowed in sets. So next we will see how we can remove anything from the sets. For that we have to use a remove function and provide the value like let's remove early and close the brackets. That what is wrong here? Why it's not removing? So why it's not removing? Okay, because early is not there, so let's remove a pass. So Abbas is removed now. So this was how we can remove, and there is also one more method to remove items from set is using the pop function, and you can just type in and it will remove. So it's saying that it has removed the first this one and rest is there. So check again. So as you can see that one is removed from here. So if you want to clear it, so it's pretty straightforward. You can clear the set. Okay. So set is empty now. So this was it, and some other operation that you can apply on it, like intersection. Let's say we have a set we have a set like my set, again using the same variable, the set. We have 1, 2, 3, and another variable that is set1, and we'll add like 4, 5, 6. What if I want to find the common values in both these sets? So there are not common values in it. Just to demonstrate it, I'm doing it. And for intersection, we use this pipe sign. And okay, well, it was intersection. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has united. This is a union set. Union which combines the both sets. So this is it. And if we want to find the common elements in both of these sets, so for that we can use and there are no elements, so set will be empty. Let's say give the common element here 4. Now as you can see, we got the 4 a common element. And if we want a difference, so for that we use OR. So what happens here is that it will element in one set but not in another. This is how it finds the difference. If there are any elements that are present in uh, uh, any of these elements, that will not be there, since 4 is in both element, that is why it's only represented as 1 here. Only 4 is there. There are no any elements here. So next, how do we iterate over the sets is straightforward. We use a for loop, declare a variable in my set. Okay. And print I. So here you go. And let me show you a practical usage of the sets. Let's say if we have 2 sets, like name 1, and it is populated with Bob, Alice, and John. So this is one list, and we have another list like name 2, and we have Bob. Okay, and we have Robert. Okay, in the second list we have name 2 variable. It has only 2. So what if I want, let's say I have to find common friends in both of these name set variables. So what I do is use a AND operator to intersect these both sets. So here's, I'm saying common friends are name and name, name 1, name 2, and so here we find that the common friend are Bob. So this was a practical usage of this sets. And so the key point about sets are unordered collection of unique elements, and sets support various operations like union, intersection, and difference. And sets are useful for tasks involving unique items, such as removing duplicates from a list. So this was about sets in Python. If you like this video, hit comment And if you have any question, you can comment in the comment section, hit like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.